Hey, what's up guys? A few weeks ago I introduced you to Bitopex, one of the best and world leading crypto options platforms out there. And today we're going to check out my personal copy trading results from Bitopex, and I will give you some general information again. Let's go. So first of all, we're going to start with the general information. So Bitopex is a crypto options trading platform, and you can check out different options here, for example, the Bitcoin options or the Ethereum options. So if you are familiar with options trading, then you definitely know what to put in here. If you don't know how to trade crypto options, then I would recommend you to do some research first, because options trading is not like normal trading, because you have like different angles that you have to be that you have to think about when you trade options. So I'm personally not a trader, so I cannot tell you, okay, this chart looks like this and you have to do this and that. I personally wouldn't call myself a trader. I know how to read charts basic, but like not advanced for options trading. But if you want to get more information about the options trading in general, then I can recommend you to check out their Bitopex Twitter channel, where they post like regular updates here about different crypto charts as well as options trading. They have a very successful YouTuber here who posts like stuff pretty much on a daily basis. And of course, you can check out their YouTube channel, where they post like videos every few days. So you can see it here, 46 minutes 5 days ago. So this is also a very good source for you if you want to learn more about options trading. But I want to show you our YouTube channel. I want to show you our content, not the other company's contents. So yeah, Bitopex is a crypto options trading platform, and what they also offer and what I use personally is a copy trading service. So you can see here, Jonas is my username. So what we can see here are there two copy trading strategies that you can follow. So for example, I am personally following the Phoenix strategy as well as the zero DTE strategy. In the Phoenix strategy, I've invested $2,000, and here I've invested $4,000. So yeah, the Phoenix strategy gives us a forecast return of investment per year of 24.74%, and the zero DTE strategy gives us a forecast return of investment of 129.83%. So like, let's say 25% and 130%. So yeah, this is a very, not a very, but a more riskier strategy, but you can also see it's more rewarding. You can check out here the history of the last couple of months. So for example, in June, they made a profit of 11.29. Here, July, 14.58. So you can see the different profits here that they made so far. So here in November, they made 5.46% so far. And here you can see the other strategy. And yeah, you can also see that I invested here the 2,000. Where my current value is 2,093.75 here, with a profit and loss so far of plus 4.69%. And here with this strategy, I have around 33% that I'm positive. And I think that this is like a very good indicator and a very good result so far. So I personally want to do like a reposition myself, because I got some gains in the crypto market. So now I can reposition this as well. So I'm going to switch now and request to close this position. So yes, I want to exit this position. So position closed successfully. You can request to close a position, because sometimes when they have an open trade, they will probably not close it immediately, because if there's a trade open, then the assets are like not possible to get to like close there directly. That's when you have to wait maybe a day or so. So now I've requested to close the position, and as you can see, it doesn't show up here anymore. And if I click on this tab here, requests to close position, you can see that my position ID is here, my request submit time is here, my amount to receive is here, status is open. And this is because maybe there are some open trades right now. So this is why they are not like closing my position immediately. So sometimes you have to wait like a few hours or maybe a day until they close your position, because if there's an open trade, then they just cannot withdraw the money immediately, because they have to close the trade first, and then they can give you access to the money, to your assets. So that's why I've requested to close the position now. And once the position is closed, then it will show up in my balance, and then I can withdraw it, or I can follow the strategy with an even higher amount. I can do that as well. and then it will show up here as a different position because my first position is this amount, 4,000. So now I could close this as well, and then I could open a new one with the general amount. But I think that this is a very good comparison because when I started here this in July, I can always show you this amount first in the profits, and then I can start with the 2,000 from the other strategy. I can start again for a second position as well. So this is for the lazy people who want to do copy trading, who want to just invest and then forget about it. And if you want to trade, for example, the crypto options yourself, but you're not familiar with directly setting up the different options, then you can also click on the Earn tab here on the top right. And now you have different crypto options that you can trade. So for example, here you have an older one, which expires today, which set a Bitcoin price below 66,000. So very unlikely that's going to happen today. But yeah, this is an older position, and then you could trade this, or you can click for tomorrow, for example. This is like a more accurate one. So you can say, okay, if the price will be above 88,000, then you can have a max profit of 47.3%. Or if you say no, it will go down below 87,000, then you have this one. So here you can check out different cards, or you can also see it as crypto bubbles. So you can check out the different bubbles or cards, and then you can trade these pre-arranged options. So you can just say, okay, open position, enter the amount you want to invest, and then you can say open position, and then you can see the max profit and percentage here as well. So yeah, you can check out the different positions that they set up here on a daily basis. So yeah, you can check them out here, you can trade them, you can see like, okay, above like in March it will be above 100,000, or above this, above that. So you can check it out over here. You can say, okay, I want to give a profit direction, for example, only the up ones, or only the downs, or all the ones. So you can check out the different cards here, and then you can trade the options as well. Or you can do the crypto options trading, the copy trading service over here, or you can trade everything yourself, and as well as learn with the YouTube channel and the Twitter channel. So Bitopex is a platform where you can like maximize your gains more in a passive way, more in an active way. You can choose whatever fits you the most. If you have any questions regarding Bitopex or the copy trading service, then write them down below in the comments. And what I wanted to show you, what I forgot, in July, when I first started out with the copy trading service, they had assets under management of 120,000, I think it was like 120, 125,000. And now they have like 800,000 in assets under management, which is also huge because they just increased their assets under management here by, I don't know, like by 6 times already. So that's like a huge number and a big deal. So hopefully at the end of this year, we will see here 1 million assets under management, and then hopefully it will grow more and more. So this strategy as well as this platform becomes bigger and bigger. And as I said, if you have any questions, write them down below in the comments, and I will be very happy to answer them all. See you in the next video. Bye bye.